Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got some Mag R&R. So this is kind of nice. It's a little bit of a muscle relaxer, muscle recovery and sleep support. So it's kind of nice when you worked a hard day or did a lot of exercise like I do sometimes and you just want to relax and get some sleep. So this one here is good for you. It comes with 90 capsules in it and it's in a SaltWrap. It has magnesium glycinate. I don't know, just says uses you can take 3 capsules before bed, which is, I don't even take that. I think maybe 2 if I had taken it. So, but it's kind of cool. So this is what it looks like here. It comes with 90 capsules. So thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.